Hey Nani, where are my chocolates?
Your chocolate biscuits, I've thrown them in the dustbin.
What? Why?
Why? Because they are not good for your health. They are not healthy at all. So if you have time, just give me 15 minutes. I will prepare you lovely dry fruit biscuits, which will be really yummy, and you will go to it again and again. Come. This is half cup of jaggery, half cup ghee. Make sure that you go by the measurements. So now we mix this nicely. Ghee is good fat, and jaggery is, we are replacing it instead of white sugar. And you can use other sweeteners also which you want, like palm sugar, etc. But I have taken jaggery. After mixing this nicely, now I'm taking 1 cup oat flour. Oats are always there at home. You can just grind them in the mixer, or you can get oat flour, whatever suits you. So far we have just added all the healthy stuff. This is half a cup of wheat flour. Mix it nicely. You can use wheat flour, you can use khapli flour, equally good. Now I need to use my hands to make this into a nice dough. Now we add in about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, sesame seeds. We add in elaichi powder. Then we add in mixed seeds. Mixed seeds, there are pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, little flax seeds, little chia seeds. That's it. We mix all this together. Chop the dry fruits. So these are the almonds. Now we add the cashew. Now we add the walnuts. Dry fruits you can add as per your choice. And now I will just knead it. Just don't keep standing there. Come and help me to knead this. Now we'll roll out small balls, lemon-sized balls. You can make roundels using the spoon, or you can roll out the balls like that. Using the spoon is better because you get the same shape. Just make it round and flatten it on the top and put them in the baking tray. We line the baking tray with a butter paper. Now our dry fruit biscuits are ready. We'll just add in some sesame seeds on top. This is optional. Now we just press the seeds in. Our dry fruit cookies are ready. Now I'll put them in the oven to bake for about 15 minutes at 160 Celsius. Our cookies are done. Our dry fruit biscuits are ready. They have cooled down, and now we will just place them in a tray. You can have these dry fruit biscuits with chai, coffee, whatever.
These look so nice.
Yes, they are very delicious. They are very nutritious. So please have them instead of having biscuits from outside.